Hi! Na nag-overtake ako, I think hindi tumunog kanina yun.
Wait, Leia, bro.
Hi guys. Hi, Shad.
Do you see what's in front of you?
Is that the filming camera?
Yeah.
Hi guys. So,
Bro's
where are we going?
something. Tokyo Tower.
Oh really?
But I think like they're gonna check if pwedeng umakyat sa observation deck. And yeah, we'll see you guys there maybe.
This is the main deck, second floor. For the top deck, sir, please proceed to the right side. Have a nice time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good enjoy. This is the main deck floor. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Bro, picture na agad.
Hi guys. So we are at Tokyo Tower. Look.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's not painful anyway.
The next station is Asakusa. Ay, kahapon pala sa train, may nakatingin sa'yo, sabi ni Tita Meng. Sa train eh, di ba bro? May
Baka
may
matanda na yun, bro.
Hindi. Ah, kahapon? Oo. May natingin sa kanya sa train. Attracting the fine shots, bro.
Cute naman niyo.
Double take siya sa'yo. What's up, bro? Oh yes, ramen! Finally, bro! Finally, chat!
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce? Bro, hindi ako sabihin. Sabihin mo na.
I think that may not be correct. It's one.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. 大丈夫です。 It's audition.
Guys, it's raining. We're trying to look for food. We're in Shinjuku and it's raining so bad, bro. We're trying to look for street food. Oh! Ayan o! Hindi in-order namin.
Yun yung isa.
Lahat na to. Tama ba ito? Itadaikimasu.
Yo!
Yo! Lupit.
Okay. Ganbate.
Di mo rito ma-enjoy ito kung sakaling sa'yo ito. Tignan mo, may stigmatism mo.
Ayasin mo.
Gising bagay. Sobrang kalat.